What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable baby sound, dog barking, knocking or doorbell ringing sound in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now scroll down and click on accessibility. Now here click on hearing enhancements and then click on sound notifications. Now click on open sound notifications and then click on edit sound types. Now here in priority section you will see a button for baby sound. So if you want to disable baby sounds, then tap on this button to turn it off, and if you want to enable baby sounds, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So you can follow same steps for dog barking, knocking and doorbell ringing. So that's how you can enable or disable baby sound, dog barking, knocking or doorbell in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.